Hi there, Stacy with Stacy Stitches and Designs here, and I wanted to tell you today about a new project I'm working on in collaboration with Darn Good Yarn. Darn Good Yarn is a fair trade and ethically sourced company that for yarn and other items, and I'm working on a Christmas scarf pattern using their lace weight recycled silk yarn. It's made with recycled silk and it's hand spun in India. And it comes in this lovely holly jolly colorway. You can see the very pretty sparkles in the red and white and green. I already have my hank caked up, as you can see. It came in 50-gram hank, which is about 300 yards. So yeah, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about this project I'm working on. So as I said, this is a lace weight yarn. So it's very fine, but it's working up quite great with this scarf. You can see at the beginning, I'm using kind of a ribbing. Eventually, at the end of this project, I'm going to add some fringe, so there will be some fringe on the project as well. So we have two sections of ribbing. We have the vertical one like you do on the brim of a hat or something, and then right above that, and actually throughout the scarf, we have this horizontal ribbing to kind of contrast. And then, since it's a lace weight yarn, I really wanted it to be something that would be really drapey and kind of unique for this Christmas scarf. So you can see this diamond mesh stitch here that is the bulk of this pattern design. Eventually it'll be blocked and everything. This scarf is in progress. I wanted to show you kind of the process of it. So we have our ribbing to start, and then this diamond mesh interior, which is then separated throughout the scarf by these extra sections of the ribbing that just continues. So it goes diamond mesh, ribbing, diamond mesh. And it's just creating this really lovely scarf design. I've got a few more sections to go basically before I get to the end here. And then, like I said, I'll be putting the finishing touches on it and adding some fringe and really setting off this lovely scarf. So be on the lookout for this. This is going to be published by Darn Good Yarn. I believe it'll be a kit, and I will put the link to everything in the YouTube once it's released. This video will be going up before the pattern is even released, just as kind of a sneak peek preview, so be on the lookout for that. You can subscribe to my channel for more great yarn patterns and ideas, and you can follow me on Instagram at Stacy's_stitches. I look forward to sharing this pattern with everybody. I hope you'll love it and make this holly jolly scarf this Christmas season, and support Darn Good Yarn because they're an awesome company doing awesome things. If you want to get some of your own yarn from Darn Good Yarn, whether it's to make this holly jolly scarf when it releases, or if you have another project in mind, you can shop online at darngoodyarn.com, and there will be a coupon code that I'm putting in the description of this video, so you can actually get 15% off your purchase with Darn Good Yarn. So check for that in the description, and support an awesome company that supports fair trade and ethical business practices. Thanks for watching. Bye.